Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the Primark 5-piece travel bottle set. So let's go ahead and take a look. So on the left is the Primark 5-piece travel bottle set in white, and on the right it is in grey. So let's first take a look at the white set first. So taking a look at the hang tags that are attached to the packaging. All clear plastic pouch. And of course, now giving you a clearer look at the Primark 5-piece travel bottle set in white, and to give you some sense of its size, just resting the set in my hand there, or in my palm, and giving you a close-up look at the what appears to be the stickers for the containers. Now let's go ahead and open up the pouch. The pouch is hangable, as you can see. There is a hanging hole here at the top, and it does have a seal here, but of course I can see there appears to be sticky tape keeping the ziplock shut, so just peeling that off and giving you a look at that ziplock zipper or slider, and just sliding it open and giving you a look directly inside. And let's tip the contents out from the clear plastic pouch to have a closer look at the contents. So there, the clear or transparent resealable pouch. Let's seal it back up, and just setting that to the left there and giving you a look at the contents. So we can see 5 containers as well as some accessories or transfer tools. So just arranging them so you have a better look and idea of what we've just removed from this Primark 5-piece travel bottle sets clear plastic pouch. Okay, so right there, right across the tabletop, and of course giving you a look at the sticker or stickers or sticker pack for applying onto the bottles. So let's first take a look at the tools. So there is appears to be a spoon or a spatula or scoop, so flat blade and translucent, and it is quite flexible, as you can see, just bending it there. So just setting that to the side, and of course we have a funnel here, a transfer funnel, and it is translucent as well, and giving you some sense of the material. And it does have a hanging hole on one of its blades, and right there giving you a look at its details up close. Okay, we can set that down, and let's start off with the smallest container here from this Primark 5-piece travel bottle set. It is a clear plastic pot, and giving you a look at the inside and underside of the lid, and of course some sense of the material, which is a hard plastic, so a hard plastic body as well as a hard plastic lid. So simple operation with that screw top lid. So you can set that down and move on. So that would be an 11 ml or milliliter capacity pot or container. And moving right along, we have this bottle here. All these containers are clear except for their lids or tops, which are white. So giving you a look at the container, this bottle here. Let's unscrew it and take a look. So there's screw top lid as well. And the capacity for this, going by the sticker, should be 80 milliliters or 80 mil. So once again, giving you some sense of perspective and reference right there. 11 mil for the plastic pot on the left and 80 mil for the container on the right. So just setting that down into the left along with the pot right there, and moving right along, we do have a pump nozzle container or bottle, and of course taking off the kind of safety clip there, just keeping it from being depressed if you were to have any liquids or gels in there or creams. So giving you a sense of the overall design of this bottle, and of course the tube as well. So just the overall details. So this bottle is a lot softer than of course the main plastic pot right there, or the smallest plastic pot, but just comparing, these clear bottles do have a much softer body to them, making them very light in weight. So giving you some sense of its size as well, just gripping it lightly in my hand. And of course the pump action right there, very smooth and solid with that very firm spring action as well. So just giving you a close-up look at its details right there. Okay, and moving right along, actually that would be a 100 milliliter capacity bottle, which I believe would be the same for the next two bottles as well, given their sizes are all similar or the same. Okay, so moving on to the next bottle. This one is an atomizer, and does have a cap, of course, to prevent the nozzle or pump from being pressed. I'm giving you a sense of that pump head there, or atomizer head, or spray nozzle. And of course unscrewing and opening to give you a sense of its overall size and design. So screw top as well, of course, and the overall clear and soft plastic body of the bottle. So giving you a sense of the overall design and construction. And of course the tube as well, translucent tube, going all the way to the bottom of the bottle. Okay, and of course a translucent cap as well, as we saw earlier. And it does have a very firm and solid click to lock in place. So right there, once again giving you a sense of that cap for the spray bottle. And lastly, we do have this clear bottle as well, 100 milliliters in capacity, with a kind of partial flip lid right there, and unscrewing it to give you a sense of its cap, also screw top lid or cap or top, and the overall clear and soft, or I wouldn't say soft, or clear and semi-hard body of the bottle. And to give you some sense of its size, once again, just for some perspective, and you've heard right there, with that tipping over of that bottle, the lightness of these bottles. Okay, so those are the 5 bottles from the Primark travel bottle set in white. So I'm just going to reattach this clip, which is vital for travel, to avoid any accidental pressing of the top and dispensing of any of the contents from the bottle. So I'm just going to shift those bottles to the side on the left, these are the white ones, and we're going to move on to the grey ones in just a moment. So just setting those items to the side, and of course that funnel as well. Okay, and let's take a look at the pack in grey. So I'm just going to line these up a bit more neatly so they don't interfere with the foreground as we take a look at the pack that is in white, in grey, I beg your pardon, right here. So giving you a look at this pack in grey, and of course taking a look at the hang tags that are attached to it as well. So you can see the specifications of the bottles right there with their sizes as well. So smallest being a 10 gram, and then 80 ml, and then followed by 3 100 milliliter or 100 ml bottle or capacity bottles. Okay, I'm just flipping that hang tag card over to give you a look at the details that are printed on them. Okay, so those are the cards, and once again this one does have a hanging hole or loop at the top of the resealable zip seal lock or top. So let's slide it open and let's see. So there is some security plastic wingdings that are attached to it, or let's snip them off. So I do have a pair of Westcott scissors which I've unpacked on the channel quite a while ago. So let's snip that off, and there might be another one right here as well, and let's snip that off as well and remove them so that we can open up the packet. So just sliding that slider for the zip seal off or to the side and giving you a look directly inside. And let's tip the contents out as well from this pack or pouch. And set them on the tabletop, and giving you a look at the pack or pouch. This one is slightly smaller than the one from the white 5-piece travel bottle set. So just sealing that back up and setting that on the right hand side of the tabletop, and now arranging the contents across the tabletop. So once again you can see what's included in this Primark 5-piece travel bottle set, and giving you a look at the sticker pack with their different capacities for the containers. So just setting that on the right and giving you a look at the transfer tools. So we can see that spatula or scoop, flat blade, and semi-translucent for transferring any creams or gels or whatnot, and of course the funnel right here for transferring any liquids or decanting any liquids into the bottles. Okay, so I'm just going to set those on the right hand side of the table and move on with the smallest container first. So once again we have a small pot here with a dark grey lid and clear plastic body, so hard plastic for the top and the body of this pot or flat cylindrical container with that sturdy screw top lid. And then moving right along, so we do have a softer plastic body here but still firm, and of course that screw top lid. So this would be an 80 milliliter capacity bottle containing any gels or liquids. So screw top lid as well, and this one does have that partial flip top lid with 100 milliliter capacity, and giving you a look of that action right there. Oops, seems to have malfunctioned. There we go. Just popping it back in place. Just pressing down directly to ensure that it opens evenly. Okay, so right there with that simple snapping and locking of that partially opening flip top lid. And the overall size once again right there for some perspective for that 100 milliliter bottle. And of course we do have an atomizer or spray bottle here as well. So once again with that cap to prevent dispensing or dispersing of any liquids or whatever you might contain in here that's sprayable. And giving you a sense of the overall design. So the bottle is recyclable. And you can see the capacity as well, marked 100 ml on the bottom. So part of the molding of its design with the capacity and the recycling symbol right there. So setting that down and moving right along to the final item right here from this Primark 5-piece travel bottle set. The pump top, and of course taking off that clip to prevent accidental dispensing. So giving you a sense of that action right there, and of course the overall design. So semi-firm or semi-hard clear plastic body, and of course once again looking at the underside of the bottom, there is that capacity molded into the bottom along with the recycle symbol. So simple once again with that screw top operation and robust spring action or pump action. Just clipping or replacing that clip there to prevent any pressing on that head. And of course, one last thing, just to give you a look at that action of that atomizer head or pump head. So nice and firm as well, and very sturdy with that head design and cap as well. And just checking through to make sure that on the underside of these bottles, with the white ones, we don't see any size markings or moldings on the white bottles. So it's the grey bottles that have the capacities, but nonetheless we do have the stickers as well, just in case. And we can always apply and identify what's contained in them using the corresponding labels. And once again, to give you some sense of perspective again, just holding the largest bottles or tallest bottles from the 5-piece travel bottle set and placing them right next to each other so we can see slight variance in size, or at least dimensions, with the bottles. So that's the Primark 5-piece travel bottle set. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!